Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ranger family. Let me make sure the sound is working because it wasn't working before. So I'm going to just double check on my phone that it's working because I made 2 other videos and for some reason those didn't want to have sound. So just give me a moment to check that and we'll get started. Oh, that's working. All right, so it's good. So we are live. Let me get rid of that. Let's get started. If you guys are new, appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button. And like always, join our Telegram group. It is free to join. I'm trying to post there more. Some posts and plays that I'm bullish on and so forth to get that going again. I'm going to get going live on TikTok. And then we will get started today on this live stream. We go live every single Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesdays 8 p.m. Central Time and Saturdays 3 p.m. Central Time. So be sure to join that. I don't know why. I just posted a video on TikTok like maybe an hour ago, and for some reason it says I have a community guidelines against that, which I don't understand. But I guess I'll have to see about that in a minute. So let me get over to Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is illegal activities and regulated goods. Are you kidding me? Psh. That's ridiculous. Hold on. So right now Bitcoin is at $24,630. I'm going to shortly, before I get too far into this, I do want to make sure I go live on TikTok so that they can watch as well. And with that being said, we are good to go. I don't know why I just did that. But yeah, like I said, Bitcoin right now had a nice rally this morning. It is currently at $24,600, and it's trying to hang in there. I did just post, well, I tried to post a YouTube video on Bitcoin, so let me try to do that again. And I'm going to, yeah, we'll try this again. So testing. All right, so sound should be good. All right. Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ranger family. Let's look at Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin on the daily chart is getting overbought. You can see that on the RSI. But what I like to see is that you use the 200-day moving average on the daily chart as support. You got the bounce. I know last time I made a Bitcoin video, I think it was a few days ago, I said that Bitcoin, it looks like it was going to make a lower high. Obviously, I was wrong about that. You made a higher high. Now I want to see you on the weekly chart, close the weekly chart above 25,300. So that's really your next resistance to the upside is $25,300. That's what you want to close above. Now on the 4-hour chart, you're already getting the dump. It looks like you're definitely gonna make a higher low. What you want to stay above is a 200-day moving average on the 4-hour chart, which is currently at $22,900. I also saw that on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, it is kind of in a bull flag. So we'll have to look at that. The measure move of that would be $30,670. Now, if we go down to the 1-hour chart, you can see it's still in that flag. And it looks good to me right now. 1-hour chart also is completely oversold, trying to get the bounce well above the 200 moving average. And the 15-minute chart is obviously making a lower high, but it looks like it's, I still think the 15 is fine because as long as you stay above $24,450, I still think you're in this bull flag for Bitcoin. So to me, even the 15-minute chart is above the 200 moving average. And as far as support goes to the downside, if you were to get a retest of that support because the daily chart is overbought, 23.4 is your next stop. But I think if you close a weekly candle close above 25.3, I would go all on bullish and I would change my mindset on whether we're in a bear or bull market. So yeah. That is what I'm looking at right now. Bitcoin, if you do go to the bull flag, if you do go to the upside out of the bull flag, which happens 68% of the time, your measured move is $30,650. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. So I guess that is just going to be for people that didn't see my live stream. I tried to do this before this stream, but I guess I noticed at the last second that there was no sound involved, so I don't know what happened with that. But another coin that I was bullish on was Kai coin, and right now it's getting obliterated. It's at $50,000 market cap again, so I might have to DCA in a little bit lower. But I thought that was an interesting one that I'm actually in. I posted that in my Telegram group as well. So that is kind of it. If you guys have requests for coins, let me know in the comment section below, and I will look at them. Otherwise, the next one I want to look at is Jasmine, and I guess after that, we can appreciate the likes as well. And after Jasmine, I will start taking requests on, on other altcoins. So let me just make a video on Jasmine really quick, and then we'll go on with your requests. Welcome to the Crypto Boss Engine family. Let's look at Jasmine. Right now, Jasmine is sitting at 50 at 5.3, so basically half a penny, not even half. Yeah, half a penny right now. So on the daily chart, you are getting overbought, making a lower high for sure. You never even touched the resistance, which was at 0.6 of a penny. And also, if you go zoom into the daily chart, you are getting rejected off of that 200-day moving average on the daily chart, which is at 5.44. The next resistance to the upside is 0.6 of a penny, and the next support to the downside is 0.5 of a penny. On the 4-hour chart right now, your 200-day moving average is right above support at 0.6 of a penny, so that's where you'd want to be above to be bullish. And of course, your support is 0.5 of a penny to the downside. It does look like the 4-hour chart is about to make a higher low, so that is a good sign. Looking at the 1-hour chart is also, well, that's a lower high, but I still am bullish on it. Even the 1-hour chart is holding the 200-day moving average. So as if 5.2 is the lowest you go, that's bullish to me, and that would still be good. 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart looks a little sketchy. It is below the 200-day moving average. So right now for Jasmine, you cannot lose 49% of a penny. If you lose 495, I believe your next stop is 468. Now to the upside, obviously you're still trying to test 0.6 of a penny. If you break 0.6 of a penny, I believe you're going to have a moonshot to 83% of a penny. So short term for Jasmine, it is looking a little bit bearish, but I still like how it's looking on the macro time frame, such as the 4-hour chart, because I think the 4-hour chart will make a higher low. Daily chart is a little sketchy as well, but 4-hour chart looked good to me. And 1-hour chart looks good to me as well. If you guys enjoyed this analysis, I appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video. So if you guys have requests for me, let me know in the comment section below, and I will look at them. But yeah, so that's kind of what my analysis on the market right now. On Bitcoin, I am bullish based on this bull flag. I believe that Bitcoin is going to move to the upside. The measure move would be 30,600. Now that doesn't have to happen, but that is the measure move. And short term, it is looking like Bitcoin wants to go to the upside. So we'll see what happens. If you guys have requests for me, let me know. Appreciate the likes. So if you guys have altcoin requests, let me know. And wow. So. Another coin that I'm in right now is GPT, which is like an AI play. I think this actually has a lot of potential. We'll see what happens right now at 1.7 mil. I got in last night at $1 million market cap, so I'm up like 75%. I'm hoping this can keep going up. But right now your floor, I would say, is just above $1 million. You had a local low earlier today at 1.1 million, and hopefully you can hold that level. I think that's the only ones I really... Those are the two I'm excited about, is GPT-4 and KaiCoin. So, yeah, those are the two I wanted to talk about. If you guys have other requests, I'll look at them. Otherwise, with that being said, guys, that's kind of all I got. I just wanted to quickly look at Bitcoin and Jasmine. We looked at Bitcoin, Jasmine, and I told you some of them plays I'm bullish on. So if there's requests, I'll do them. Otherwise, I guess that's kind of it. So I think as long as Bitcoin holds, 23.4, that's a good sign long term. But short term, if you want to get a possible move to the upside out of this bull flag, you can't really lose 24.3. So that's kind of it for Bitcoin. So XRP and One Earth, please. All right. XRP on the daily chart. I don't think much has changed since we looked at this last, but right now you are at 37 cents. I don't know what chart I was using before, but I know that I've looked at this before and there's been data on it. So let's see if we can find a chart that we've used before. It was a big stamp. I don't know what chart it was. I guess we'll use Binance because I don't know what it was, but I'm tired of... Oh, there we go. All right, so right now to the downside, you have support at 341, and to the upside, you have resistance at 415. Daily charts below the 200-day moving average, trying to get the move up. And I think daily chart suggests on the RSI you should hit 41.5 as resistance. 4-hour chart is making a lower high, getting rejected off the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart is suggesting you actually make a lower high and you go down to the next support, 34 cents. While an hour chart is suggesting that you hold the 200-day moving average and use it as support. So a lot of mixed signals on these different time frames, and 15-minute chart looks bearish right now as well. So I would trust the larger time frames more than the smaller time frames. So the daily chart suggests you should go up. Short term, you could have a move back to 34 cents, but you kind of just range bound, honestly, for the last few days or weeks between 34 cents and 41.5 cents. So I would not be surprised at all if you saw another retest of 34 cents before you went to 41 cents. But it's kind of indecisive on these different time frames. But that is kind of the range you're in. Nothing has really changed beyond that. I can go look at One Earth, but there's not much to go in depth on XRP because it's just range bound. One Earth, I should say, though, is still in this falling wedge we had drawn, and kind of getting some sort of bounce. Daily chart's trying to get the bounce. It looks like it's honestly going to make another lower high and probably get rejected off this top of this trend line or downsloping resistance until you break out this bull flag. This is a massive bull flag, but that would put you at, so your resistance is around 3.536. The 4-hour chart, again, it's overbought already. So 4-hour chart is actually suggesting that was your top short term at 3.3, and maybe you won't even see higher numbers than that right now. 1-hour chart is making a higher low, so again, it kind of indecisive in the market right now. 15-minute chart is trying to hold this 200-day moving average as well. So it's hard to say what's going to happen. I would not be surprised at all, though, if you saw another retest of like 2-3, where you had that wick before you break out of the bull flag to the upside. But overall, right now, it's still in the bull flag, just kind of like XRP, just kind of trading in that range. So both are kind of the same from last time we looked at them. So short-term Kai. I don't know if you saw my call or whatever in the Telegram group, but yeah, so I was bullish on this. I'm still very bullish. I'm still holding this because it's a micro cap right now, a $50,000 market cap. I'm still bullish on this, right? Short term, I'm not gonna try to do TN, a $50,000 market cap coin, but your local low today was 26K, which I didn't even know it went that low. But so I mean, you could go down there. I think long term, though, I'm not even thinking short term. Like I said, I think this is a mid to long term hold. When I get a double or a triple, I'm gonna get my initial out. But personally, I think could be a long term hold because what they're trying to do is bullish, in my opinion. So long term, I still think this can hit a several $1 million market cap, at least $1 million. So even though it's had a dip since I entered at 80,000, now it's at 50,000. If I get the opportunity, I might actually put more in if I see us holding this 50,000 floor for a while. But short term, I can't tell you what's going to happen. I mean, one sell could drop you 10%, or one buy could pump you 10% or more. And if one person just put an Ethereum into this thing would probably go back to like the 80 level or something. So it's a micro cap. You expect extreme volatility with this stuff, and it's that simple. But I am bullish on Kai long term. It's a play I did talk about, and I posted it in my Telegram group. So it is something, not financial advice, but I am in it. So yeah, that is Kai for you. Anyways, guys, if there's no more requests, I'm going to get on out of here. Shorter stream during the week, and then on Saturdays is my longer stream. If you guys enjoyed this stuff, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, because I do go live twice a week, right? So also, like I said, join the Telegram group. I am trying to post in there a little bit more. But to recap, Bitcoin right now is at a bull flag. Measure move is $30,600. It looks good to me. I believe if Bitcoin goes to 30,000, guys, a lot of alts will move, and a lot of these microcaps should do. More money will flow into them. So anyways, guys, if you guys enjoy this, appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm going to get out of here. I will be back live Saturday or sometime. I'll be back live sometime this weekend. I don't know. I'm going out of town, so it might not be Saturday at 3 p.m. Central, but I'll make sure I go live at some point this weekend. I'll let you guys know in the Telegram group. With that being said, guys, I'm going to get on out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Have a great week. Trade safe, and Do some research on Kai, and if you want to buy it, buy it. If you don't want to buy it, don't buy it. It's not. I mean, it's up to you, but at least do research on it. Do due diligence. So I will see you guys in the next live stream.